Alright guys, Shadow speaking. So let's do a breakdown on this gold using our guideline, right? Using our blueprint CRT guideline. Alright, so back to gold setup. I was able to identify this gold and trade it perfectly. Alright, so let's take out all this level, right? Let's take out all this level. Okay, first of all, this is on the H4 time frame. Okay, so using the guide, what do we have right here? Using the guide, what do we have? They said first of all, you identify your range correctly. Okay, so let's identify our range. This is what our range high, right? This is our range high. This is our CRT high, right here, and this is our range low, which is also called our target. Okay, so this is our range. Okay, now back to the guide. Back to the guide, what do we have? We need to identify if it's a valid bearish candle. Okay, so this is an healthy candle and this is it right here. Okay, so this is valid. Now, what is the next step in our guideline? The next step is what? We identify what the model of CRT. So right on this setup, this setup falls on what? On this three candle model. Okay, whereby we have what? Our accumulation candle, our manipulation candle, and waiting for the distribution candle. Okay, so now we have this model. This is the three model formation. Alright, so back to the guideline, what do we have? We're going to check if it's a profitable one. And as you can see from this diagram, diagram 4, this is the exact setup we have on gold right here. Can you see it? This is the exact setup, which means it is about a profitable setup. Okay, now the next step is what? Go back to what? Diagram and observe if what? After observing it, now we go to what? Our key level. Is our setup reacting from any key level? Now let's go back. Which of the key level are we reacting from? We are reacting from what? From where? This exact key level, which is the SBR. So back to our analysis. What do we have right here? We have the gold setup reacting off from where? This SBR right here. So can you see now? So after identifying all this is a high probability what setup. Okay. So now what do we do next? We come to what our entry formation. Now check out the breakout. What do you have right after identifying what? For buys, right? For buys, identify equals now switch to one time frame lower to look for what? A breakout. So since it's a sell, we switch to one time frame lower for our breakout, and which is on the H1 time frame. As you can see, we have a breakout right here. Switching to the line chart, you are going to see the breakout. Okay, so this is our breakout right here. This signifies that it is valid. Alright. So what's the next step after the breakout? You identify what kind of breakout. Is it type 1 breakout or a type 2 breakout? So back to it. What do you have here? This is a type 1 breakout. Alright. Then we have what? The sweep and what? The break. Okay. So this is a type 1 breakout. So now after identifying the breakout, then we have our entry model. Okay. For type 1 breakout, we have three entry model, the entry 1, entry 2, and entry 3. Okay. So for this particular setup on gold, our entry falls on what? On entry model 3. Alright. So this is our entry model 3. This is our entry model 3. Okay, so that is the reason why we took the trade right from here. Alright, so this setup falls on our entry model 3. If you want to know about the entry models are in this blueprint. Okay, so for the entry model 3, let me just show you. This is how the entry model 3 looks like. Alright, this is how it looks like for a sale. So this is our entry model 3, and that is how we're able to get this trade on gold all the way to this target. Alright, so everything step by step, guys. This is the mechanical way of trading your CRT. Alright, so peace out.